Thank you very, very much. And first of all, let me say a special thanks to Irish America and Patricia and Neil for all of the great work that they do on an ongoing basis and have been doing for an awful long time. So they deserve, I think, another round of applause for all of these events. I also want to just express my congratulations to all of the honorees that are here. This is a wonderful constellation of talent in this room, a community of brilliance in many ways. And I'm also delighted that we have some of the people being honored here tonight are obviously from Northwell. You will be hearing from Kevin Tracey in a few minutes, but we also have and I'm going to just mention them because I know that if I don't, they're going to come back and ask me why I didn't. But I just want to say congratulations to Tom McGann, Elaine Brennan, Rich Mulry, and Winnie Mack. Thank you for being here. You know, all of us are impacted by the people we meet. We are all influenced by those we have the fortunate circumstance of coming in contact with. We're inspired by these people, we're strengthened by them, we're motivated by them. We are all better because of the people that we have had the opportunity to come in contact with, associate with, work with, and become friends with. And I have been unbelievably fortunate over the years to have come in contact with some extraordinary individuals, and I would say, and I think I could speak on behalf of everybody here, that none of us would be where we are today if it wasn't for the influence of all of those people that we met along the way. Because all of them teach us something. And one of those people, for me personally, is our keynote speaker tonight, Dr. Kevin Tracey. Dr. Kevin Tracey is a person of extraordinary talent, a person of extraordinary achievement, a person who is unbelievably humble, and one of the nicest people you would ever want to be associated with, both professionally and socially. And I've had the fortunate circumstance of working with Kevin for well over 20 years now, and to be in constant awe of what Kevin does and his impact on other people. Kevin, as you will hear, is changing the field of medicine. Generations of people in the future will look back and say, I was saved, I was cured, I was stabilized by the work that Dr. Kevin Tracey did years before. People will benefit in a new way from the type of discoveries that he is responsible for. So, without belaboring this much longer, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce a real star, to introduce not just a person of success, but a person of value, a person who is making a difference and is making an extraordinary difference, a person who is known worldwide. I had the occasion of being in Stockholm, Sweden, at the Karolinska Institute with Kevin some couple of years back. We've been there a couple of times. And the Karolinska Institute is where the Nobel Prize is issued. And as I walked around Karolinska with Kevin in the midst of extraordinary worldwide talent, I thought I was walking with God, because everybody knew Kevin. And I remember the moment when he gave a keynote, both he and I were speaking at an event, and he gave a keynote And about 2/3 of the Nobel Committee came and sat in the front row to listen to Kevin speak about the discoveries that Kevin is doing. So with that, it is my great pleasure to introduce a wonderful friend, a wonderful, humble human being who makes us all feel better about what we do. Kevin Tracey.